Hello. Um, Purpose of this video is to clarify task D of module 1. Okay, so I just want to make sure that we are in doing the right thing here. So let me back up. I rewrote task D, so this is all module 1, design with empathy with it. And the way how I have it set up is, of course, this is part A, B, C. And the part that I need for you to do is on this video is part D, is the persona with it as well. This is the video link right here is where you would actually click on to hear this video with it. So here's the scenarios. I imagine that a team designing a food delivery, um, a responsive website or an app. That's what you're doing with it. So it's like an Uber Eat or something along that line, or that type of app, or we're not building an app, we're building a responsive website, which can be an app, by the way, with it. So we'll get more into that, designing a responsive website or an app with it. So a persona is what you will be doing is in this assignment with it, and you're going to be using a tool that's called Merle with it. And a Merle is you're building a fictional character that with some sort of background and has some sort of life experience that you would interview, and you would take information and you would put this information onto like a persona card with it as well. And this will serve as one of your clients later on. If you think about how you want to build this, and this person will be very diverse in skill sets and in age, and everything with it, male, female, that type of scenario with it as well. So we'll get into more about persona, but in this assignment, I want you to come up with a fictional assignment with it. So first thing is I need for you to create. There's 3 parts to this actually with it. Task E is not. This is going to be in module. I'm going to move this into module 2 with it. So module 2, we're going to be doing empathy map to this as well. But in this particular assignment, you're going to be doing 2 things. First of all, I have a link here. You click on this link right here. It will take you to the Merle website for you to create an account with us. Make sure you use the E7 account. That's what I would, don't do a personal account. I want you to do the E7, E with your 7-digit at student.dcccd.edu email account, in case of if the link doesn't work, then I might have to email you, and that's the email that I have on file with you as well. So please use that email to send email with it. Okay. The second thing is what I need to do is once you've done that, you come down here with it. I don't have to read this with it, but I just told you what I just said, right? With it, so that's why I just said with it. Be sure you're in the correct course, because I have like 3 rooms for this, and each room I have a different Merle board. Okay, so make sure you're in the proper room with it. So I have 3 classes going on right now. I have an iMed class, I have a UX UI class, and I also have 2 iMed class and UX UI class. Okay, so after you've done that, I need for you to take a screenshot of your room with it. So something like this. So I've already signed into it, and you click on this link right here that I gave you up here. In here, where's that link? This link right here, Merle board 2 for task D2, or maybe I'll put that link right here with it. After you log in, let me show you. After you log in, this is what you should have. Let me use the student. I have to create 2 accounts on this thing, so with it. So after you log in, let me back out here with it as well. Back arrow key here. This is what you would look. Your board looks something like this. I would give you access to a room with this. So let me pull. I have several rooms that's going on here right now with it. So you have access to one of these rooms with it as well. So I already worked in. Let's say I gave you access to UX UI 1373 Spring 2025 room with it. So this is the link to this particular board you have right now. But before we get to here with it, I need for you to use the snipping tool. And if you can use the snipping tool, take a screenshot of this entire browser, including your URL. I need to see, especially this part right here, that you will have the whole the room in here with it as well. So this, I need to see you logged onto this room like so. So shows that room and that you have access to this particular board right now that you're about to go into right now. So just copy this, or more important, you could use that highlighter. You just select it and just circle that. Helps me grade every bit. And you need to copy this, right? So you come up here to this tool right here and just hit copy, and you would actually minimize this and jump back to your Word document that you have right here, and you paste that right here. Okay. So that's how it works with it, right? Let me just take that off for the time being with it, right? So down here, once you logged onto it, I have this video link that is the next part with it. So let me stop right here for that section right here for the Task D1 Mural board, creating an account, and you need to be able to log in and access that room for me, okay? I'm going to stop right here. This concludes Task D Part 1.